Hey guys, it's Tammy with nursing.com. I'm going to show you how you can review your nursing practice questions or NPQ stats. So when you're on your nursing practice page, you're going to see it broken up into NCLEX categories. And if you keep scrolling, you'll be able to see nursing categories. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is aim between 55 and 60% in each of these categories. So if you're below that, then you know that those are the areas that you need to go back and focus on. So let's just go ahead and review the nursing categories. So for instance, I attempted 2 cardiac questions and I got 0 right. For fundamentals, I attempted 7 and I got 4 correct, so I'm at 57%. So this would tell me that fundamentals, I'm doing pretty good, and then cardiac is where I need to kind of spend most of my time. If you keep scrolling down a little bit further, you're going to be able to see your quiz history. From here, you can come back and review each exam, and it's going to tell you if you got it right or wrong. It's going to give you the category and the NCLEX category. You'll be able to view your rationales and the lessons that are associated with that question. Guys, if you have any questions, please reach out to support. We're always here to help you. Go out and be your best selves, and happy nursing.